Okay, so on with the project. Yesterday I finished power washing the deck and I attempted to go on with the staining, but my equipment failed on me. So this morning I got a new pump sprayer, which is that's what I'm using to stain my deck. I use a stain and seal, just kind of a one application deal. It works really well. It's what we use to do our barn. It's what we will use to do our house when we do the siding on it. Lots of projects going on around here. But this is a really simple process, so I'm going to show you what I'm using. It's a pump sprayer, real simple. You pour the stain in here, pump it up, and spray it on. And then any areas where there's excess, use a roller to just kind of roll it out. This wood, especially since it's just freshly power washed, it just soaks it up really quickly. In fact, I'll show you the area that I was able to do last night. That's all I was able to do. But it just soaks it up really quick. I also have myself set up with a little rolling pan and a 6-inch roller on a frame so that I can do the handrails. And this is going to go fairly quick. I have 2 levels of deck to do, and even though it's 1,000,000 degrees outside, I should be able to handle this fairly quickly. And I will show you the finished project when I'm done. I wanted to show you how easy this is with the right equipment. And this is just really pretty inexpensive equipment. But all I'm doing is with the pump sprayer, I'm just literally spraying on the stain and seal. And as hot as it is, it's really just soaking it in and drying almost as quickly as I can spray it on. There's only been a few spots at all that I've had to use the roller and roll it in. But it's literally that easy. Okay, I have completed the stain of the old deck, and I am completely exhausted. It took a little bit longer than I had hoped it would, mostly because we're experiencing surface of the sun temperatures in southern Oklahoma today. So I had to keep going inside for a few minutes at a time and lower my body temp. But let me see if I can get up and show you. I will post actual before and after pics so you can see the actual difference. But here's the main staircase that goes down to the patio, and then this is the upper deck, and then we go down here to the lower deck. That goes down to the new deck around the pool, and then that goes down to the outside, which will be the sidewalk and what's going to be the outdoor kitchen when I get around to that. But all in all, real actual time, it probably took me hour and a half to actually do it. I used the stain and steel, I used the pump sprayer, a little bit of rolling, did all the handrails through rolling, and mostly just the spraying. It went on pretty quick, and in this heat it dried really fast. So it's stained, it's sealed, and I'm about to go get the suit on and jump in the pool and cool off.